Hey, welcome to Service Express. This is our global headquarters where we've invested over $3 million to build a space that is as unique, collaborative, innovative, and energetic as our people. The building you're in is over 80,000 square feet, 40,000 upstairs, 40,000 downstairs. Prior to this, our teams were separated by 2 buildings. We've moved all of our operational teams and we've built out our technology center in our previous building to support our customers around the globe. We've come a long way in the past 20 years, from a small data center maintenance company to an international company who services customers around the world. We needed a facility that could grow with us.
At Service Express, our people are our top priority. Throughout this project, they were at the center of every decision that we made, working to create the very best experience for them as our employees to obviously provide the best experience to our customers.
We knew we wanted to provide an engaging workspace for our people in Grand Rapids, but also provide opportunities for people working in our regional offices or elsewhere abroad to be able to come and visit us and to work in the space versus just sitting in a conference room. So we intentionally provided hotel working stations and hotel offices, huddle rooms that would allow, a couple people to meet, and then those larger meeting rooms so that we had a variety of opportunities for anybody, whether you worked in the office regularly or not.
We created spaces both dedicated to work functions, but also related to social functions as well, creating a very dynamic work cafe where people can step away from their desk and come together and meet colleagues and meet peers in a social atmosphere and relax a little bit while they're at work.
We purposely tried to partner with as many local companies as possible. We partnered with a local architect, Progressive AE, that helped with the design process and then moved us through the architectural phase. We partnered with first companies and several really key subcontractors through that team that then helped execute on those plans and did a great job in doing so. The next intentional decision was furniture, and just look for new ways that we could use color and bring in a little bit more warmth than what we had ever done before.
With the new space, we thought about the individual employee experience each and every step of the way, in terms of the technology, the resources that would help them be the most comfortable and the most effective in the work that they are doing. We created spaces where an employee can work on a project independently or come together with their coworkers or colleagues to meet either in person or virtually.
We've also built kind of open air concepts like this one, where ad hoc, people can grab team members, they can meet together, pull something up on a screen, whiteboard, maybe even just sit down and have a cup of coffee.
One of our key focal points was creating a space that promoted sustainable initiatives. And so we looked for ways to reuse items that we already had. We tried to bring in more green elements and bring in more natural elements in general. And we also worked at how could we use more energy efficient products in terms of lighting, HVAC, appliances, anything that we could do to try to be more responsible with our environmental resources.
It was important to us to create a space where people felt welcome, felt like they had a sense of community and a sense of belonging. And in doing so, whether they're coming together to collaborate or just connect with their coworkers, that was our purpose in designing a space that could scale for us for the future. At Service Express, we are always focused on attracting and retaining top talent. This space is one more way that we demonstrate our commitment to our employees and creating the very best experience in their workspace.
This building is an investment in our people. Exceptional people want to work in exceptional environments. We at Service Express are committed to giving our people every resource that they need to succeed.